have 3 hours separating us from a ton of tents with beer.
Oktoberfest, Germany's biggest festival every year and arguably one of the best parties in the world. All dressed in our lederhoses and dirndls, we were actually going. We took the train in from Frankfurt, found a spot to put our bags, and headed right to the festival grounds. And right away, the beer started flowing. Each tent starts their day off with this crazy Spartan-like clapping celebration. And if that doesn't get you in the mood to party, I don't know what will.
Ja, genau.
After an incredible day of partying in tents like the Hofbrau and Schützen, we'd left to go pick up 2 more friends from the train station. The following day, our plan was to stick to one tent at Schottenheimel the entire day. And what a crazy day that turned into.
Ja, genau.
All this way for Oktoberfest, and it lived up to every single expectation we had for it. So much so, my buddy went back the next year.